What's up? So, hi guys. Today in episode 7. So, let's get started in Kate Bird Lost Mystery Story. So, the last time, let's get ready for. No, wait, no. Oh my gosh. I almost clicked new games. My heart is beating so fast now. Oh my gosh. Hope this never happens to me again. So the last time we found Coral's scooter and we found her scarf, and then we saw that weird guy, and then me and that guy someone, but he disappeared. So yeah. Laughing nervously, you buckle your seatbelt and point toward the road. Okay. Okay. After Jewel starts the engine, he puts the car in gear and heads back toward the highway. Do you suppose that guy has anything to do with your sister? I don't know. He didn't look like anyone she might hang out with. She wouldn't hang out with that creepy guy, would she? Now we're to Sherlock. You think you're several minutes about what you could do next. Just head back to the mall. Maybe something will come to me by the time we get there. As you ride along in thoughtful silence, you realize you're already sure what to do next. According to Coral's message, she is okay, but I still think something must be wrong. Am I just being an overprotective sister? Should I keep up and wait for her to call me back? Suddenly, a thought hits you like a brick. Jewel, we didn't even go by Becky's house. That should have been the first place we checked. Jewel looks at you like you are a genius. Sherlock, I do believe you have got it. You tell Jewel where Becky lives, and he steers the car in that direction. Little sister, you better be at Becky's house. Please be there, Coral, please. But no matter how much you try, you just can't shake the feeling that something is trebly wrong. Do you want to save your progress? Okay. Progress has been saved. We're gonna... This is our house or Becky's house? Oh, Becky's house. The clouds grow a little darker as Jewel pulls into Becky's driveway. Okay. Hello? Please don't let it run now. So this is the house? You look at the address again to be sure. Yep, this is the one. Wish me luck. Jewel leaves the car running as you hop out and walk up to the front door. As you pass by the windows, you try to peek inside to see if you can spot Coral. Your heart is nearly beating out of your chest as you raise your hand to ring the doorbell. Ding dong! but for what seems like hours for someone to open the door. You raise your hand again when the door suddenly opens. Becky looks surprised to see you standing on the doorstep as she greets you. Hi there, I didn't expect to see you today. Wow, Becky's beautiful. You nervously smile at Becky's comment before getting right to the point. Becky, is Carl here with you? Looking bewildered, Becky hasted before answering you. No. Is she supposed to be here? Oh no, I thought for sure she could be here. She didn't come home last night, so I was hoping she had spent the night with you. Becky's eyes grow wide with shock. Is she okay? I mean, you haven't heard from her at all? You quickly shake your head no. I'm afraid not. Jewel and I have been looking for her this morning, but we have not found her yet. Becky motions for you to be quiet for a moment before she yells over your shoulder. Mom, I'm going with Coral's sister for a while. I will be back a sec, I think. You can hear a muffled voice inside the house before Becky grabs a jacket and closes the door behind her. Okay, what are you doing? Becky just looks at you like you are crazy. I'm going with you. You didn't think I would let you go. You look for my best friend without me, did you? From the way Becky is looking at you, you know it is pointless to try to talk her out of coming with you. Who knows, maybe 3 hands will be better than 2. Okay, I suppose you can come with us. Let's just check with Jewel first. Jewel watches as the two of you walk up to the car, and then he rolls his window down. Let me guess. She wants to come with us? Mountains toward Becky as he makes his statement. Laughing out loud, you shrug your shoulders. She is Coral's best friend, after all. Jewel laughs with you as he mentions for you and Becky to get into the car. Once you both get inside the car, Jewel turns to you for the direction. Okay, ladies, what should we do now? I'm not really sure since Becky says she hasn't heard from Coral either. Just then Coral sits forward in her seat. What? Just then Coral sits forward in her seat? What? I think that was a mistake from the game. Oh, I didn't say I hadn't heard from Coral. You and Jewel both slam your heads to look at Becky. But I thought, well, you only asked if Coral was here with me. You didn't ask if I had heard from her. You get excited as you imagine that Becky knows right where Coral is. Thank goodness, that must mean you know where Coral is. Becky looks down at her hands before she replies. Well, you do know where Coral is, don't you? Becky blushes as she answers you. Not exactly. I mean, She sent me a few text messages last night, but I thought she was going home. You lean your head back on her seat and let out a sigh. I did get one worried text message from her, but nothing about where she might be. Becky reaches into her pocket and produces her cell phone. Can we take a look at the weird message you are referring to? Becky starts looking through her messages as and Jewel exchange hopeful glances. Reaching across the seat, Jewel squeezes your hand for support. Becky is talking to herself as she goes through her phone. No, that's not the one. No, I promised I wouldn't tell anyone about that. Where is that message? Becky looks up at you as she finds the message she is looking for. It's the last message she sent to me, and I think it might be a clue. Becky holds up her phone so you can read the message. What is the message? It's dark in here. I should have listened to my friends. Never trust anyone. In the middle. Oh, I should have listened to my friends. They always know what's best for me. You look at Becky before shrugging your shoulders. What makes you think there's a clue in that message? I don't really know, but now it just seems a little odd. Well, she could have been referring to anything at that point. I suppose you are right. I was just hoping for a clue. It doesn't look like much of a clue to me. Jewel interrupts you and Becky to make a suggestion. Since no one seems to have any idea of where to go from here, how about we go get some lunch? Jewel is all about food. Wow. You slip playful at Jewel's arm. Is food all you ever think about? Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Jewel gives you a big grin as he puts the car into gear. Actually, Buttercup, I think of a lot of things, but I just don't put it on there for everyone to see. The three of you laugh together as you head into the city. Jewel and Becky decide on pizza for lunch, and you happily go along with their choice. There's nothing better than a cheese pizza for lunch. After the pizza arrives at your table, you get ready back to business and quiz Becky a little more. So guys, we're gonna end it here, and so let me just go out first. And I'm gonna try not to do new game because all this will be gone forever. Not if I do it again, that will be boring. So yeah, Bluebell Lush. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and comment because I want to see what you want to tell me, and stay tuned for the next episode of Caged Bird. See ya guys in the next episode. Why can this just open? My gosh. What's happening?